Is it working? Lift the Beast Life back here with another video, and today we're outside, clearly not in my great background. And today we're at Wegmans shopping protein, and we're gonna shop for protein here. And today's challenge is $25 for 3 days. So if you're a guy who lifts, if you're a girl who lifts, if you're a transgender who lifts, what do you do? How do you lift and how do you eat? You're gonna be finding that out in today's video. I'm gonna show you how you can get a really good meal planned out for $25 for 3 solid days. So let's go in Wegmans, find out how to do it, get it done. Let's go in there right about now.
Yeah, on my grind all day, gonna make a million son that someday. You know I'm in the building when I write this way. Put me in the crown when I bite this game. Bitch, I'm an animal, eating these rappers, I swear I'm a cannibal. About to fulfill all my dreams, I'm a fiend. I've been plotting and scheming, this shit is obscene. I rise on fleek, what in the fuck does all that even mean? Seems like we're scared of our others, but still I'm about to win it when they bum my shit right now.
Alright guys, let me show you something important here. As you see here, right? This is what's important. You see that? That's $5.99 per LB, right? And it's costing $6.11. It's just a chicken breast, and it's just a marinated chicken breast, right? You go over here, right? Look at this. This is a chicken breast, but look at the price difference, right? That's price per LB is $1.99. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is where you save money. So what you should look at is not the overall price, but how much you get per LB of protein. Whatever protein it is you're buying, you gotta check what price you're getting it at. Because if you're not getting it at $1.99 or below $2 or like below $3, you're spending a lot of money on the marinade itself or whatever they're selling you, because it's the same thing, right? All chicken breasts and all turkey breasts or whatever it is, it's the same thing. So you should be really careful of that. So I'm gonna be getting this big packet right here. So this one right here, that's what you should go with. So look at this, guys. I got it for $10. I got 6 pounds, right? Now if you move on to some other areas like this one, you will get it for a way more expensive price because, well, they've cut it up for you. So be careful of that when you're buying your chicken breast. If you see over here, these are marinated chicken breasts, right? Like teriyaki chicken. Let's see over here. Now, they're selling it for $6.38, but you should check this out. They're selling it for $4.49 per pound, right? If you go over here, right here to this section, you can see teriyaki sauce, and it's gonna cost you $3.49. We just got this for $1.99. Now, what's a better option? Obviously, buying the bigger chicken. So, if you want to save money, buy bigger and then store up instead of buying these smaller ones. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get me one of these. This is like chipotle sauce, and if you marinate it with that, it tastes amazing. So the total price up till now is $3.49 plus $10.98. Alright guys, up next is obviously carbs and fats because we're done with protein. So we're planning to do the Mexican theme here. So what we're probably gonna go is with tacos or soft tacos, which are my favorite. So I do this usually when I'm either on a cut or I'm either bulking. I tend to go with heavy carbs, like which come in terms of Mexican food because that's probably my favorite food. So what we're gonna do here is make chicken tacos or chicken soft tacos with this. So look at the macros on this, right? It's 230 calories for 2 tortillas, which are about that size. That's not the actual size. And they have about 42 grams of carbs. So this is pretty good in terms of actually fulfilling your carb requirements. Okay, so the price for that was $2.99, and we got the tacos, we got the carbs, and now let's move on to the fats. We obviously need some black beans, all right? So top choice is black beans from Goya, all right? No advertisement, it's just the best, 79 cents. I think it's a deal, right? So we got the protein, we got the carbs, we got the juicy stuff, we got the good breast, like some good breast, and we got the fats, right? Alright people, got the breast, got the taco, got the sauce, got the round things. Now we got the cheese. I just picked this up. Cheese is an obviously important fact. Like, you know you need cheese with your goddamn tacos, alright? So we gonna got the tacos. We gonna make tacos for 3 days now. Alright, so I mean it's a pretty fair meal, right? Like Look at it. We're gonna make tacos for 3 days, and that's gonna be our protein-packed meal for 3 days. I don't know why, I'm just moving around in this goddamn shit. We gotta go get some veggies, but we're gonna make chicken tacos, heavy on chicken tacos for our protein meal for 3 days and $25. And we're almost hitting the limit, so we gotta get veggies and get out of here, because I'm almost out of 25 bucks. Look at that, guys. I really want it. That looks good. Alright guys, that is all for the haul of protein. $25 for 3 days. Look at this guy. He's got fit nuts. I didn't know you could train nuts. I'm gonna look that workout up. How to train nuts. Guys, that's the next video coming up, alright? How to train nuts 101. I'm gonna show you. Personally gonna show you how to train nuts. Alright, well guys, that has been it. $25, about $25 for 3 days. It's a good meal. It's a good meal. You get a lot of chicken. I'll post the macros somewhere on the screen right about now, or even before this video. I don't know why I'm carrying a cart. Maybe it's because I have a camera in my hand. But yes, that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. This has been $25 in 3 days. I'll check in with you next time.